Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, just like the title says, I will be showing you guys how I decorate my kitchen as well as my dining room. So yeah, let's hop right in. So right next to my family room over here, I have my dining room, so we will just go ahead and start over here. I just have a little small decoration. It's a scarecrow that I have had, you guys, since college. It was actually my first fall decoration ever. Me and my roommates were decorating our apartment, and this is what I got. I also have a pumpkin spice candle that I've had for so many years. I don't even know if it's still okay, but it smells so good. But this is my dining table, and I just made this little centerpiece myself. So I just used pumpkins that I had from last year, and then these candlesticks that I haven't found candlesticks that will fit in here. Most of them are really skinny and they just like kind of tilt to a side. But yeah, I also added some sunflowers and some leaves that I had for a long time, and then this and these are the new items from Target. Look how cute are these felt pumpkins. They're so cute. And I'm not like a really good DIYer, but I think it turned out good. Very simple as a centerpiece. Alright guys, so if I move to this place over here, I have a TV stand that I'm currently using as extra storage. I think it looks really good in the dining room, and I will show you what I added at the top. So over here in this corner, I have this shelving unit that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then I'm displaying some of this year's Rae Dunn finds. This is my first year hunting for Rae Dunn, and I have enjoyed it. And I have the two mugs fall, y'all. I also have a little pumpkin tea kettle, and then I decorated them with two pumpkins on top and some cute little leaves. And then down here I have candles, and I love this little matchstick holder. It's glass and it has a super cute fox. If you guys want to know where everything is from, you should go ahead and watch my last two fall videos. I explain where I got everything. And then this is a beautiful felt garland, and I just decided to twirl it around the whole stand. Originally I wanted to hang it from side to side, but it was really hard when opening the drawers, so I just decided to place it on top. I also have this Rae Dunn pie dish, a tea kettle, and then back here I have some other pumpkins. And Liliana, last time we went to Kroger, which is my local supermarket, we got some Halloween candy and she placed them over here. Do you guys like candy corn? I feel like it's one of those candies that people either hate or love. I think my husband doesn't like it, but me and my daughter Lily, we love it. And then back here I have another cake stand, and it is painted with beautiful pumpkins. And then I also added, these came with a different container, but I added it on top. And I purchased some caramel apples to display them and obviously to eat them. My favorite caramel apples are the ones that have the Granny Smith apple. I just think that the acidity of the apple with the sweetness of the caramel, I love them so much. And it's one of our fall traditions to make some caramel apples. Next, I have this glittery bird that I've had for so many years now. And another Rae Dunn pie dish. This one says pumpkin, and I cannot wait to bake some pumpkin pie. It's one of my husband's favorite pies, as well as the German apple pie. I can't remember the name. It's not strudel. I don't remember. But yeah, I'll be doing lots and lots of baking. And on the other corner, I have this marble tiered tray. This one I got it at Home Goods, and it's really heavy. It also has some wood in it. And I put a couple signs: pumpkin pies baked fresh, and then a little haystack from the Dollar Tree, a couple pumpkins, and both of my mugs which say pumpkin spice, and this cute little espresso cup with a glittery pine cone and some little leaves, and then Mr. Scarecrow all the way in the back, and another sign that says meet me at the pumpkin patch, and another haystack. I really like how it turned out. I think it's simple but nice. And over here I just added like a little owl cup and another pumpkin. So this is how the top of the TV stand looks. I hate calling it a TV stand, you guys, because it's kind of like, I don't know, goes perfect in the kitchen. Down here I have just more Halloween Rae Dunn that I will be using on October. Here I have this beautiful wreath. It is the same kind of wreath that material that I got for the garland. So now let me show you the kitchen. And on top of the kitchen island, I have a little truck, a green truck full of pumpkins and pine cones. I think this truck actually was from Target last year or the year after that, but it was for Christmas. And I always wait, you guys, Target has the best deals after a holiday. They go all the way up to 90%. I got this truck for $2 because it was $20 originally. So yeah, this is how I have on my island. And I also have some coasters and the leaves candle from Bath and Body Works. Over here in the pantry door, I have a wreath, and I love this wreath that I got a couple years ago also, or maybe last year, I don't know. But I like the 3 little blue pumpkins, and it looks like it has moss also, and I just placed it on top of the pantry sign that I already had, and I think it goes so well with this year's theme, which is like more blues, and it goes also well with like the kitchen stools. So this is the second 3-tier stand that I have, and I opted to use it in the kitchen. It is a galvanized metal stand, and I just love how it turned out. Up there I have a little wooden sign that has that gingham pattern, and then next to it there's a little teal pumpkin, and over here I have a little baby cream pitcher, or however you call it, and it has a little turquoise pumpkin next to the coffee stirrers. I also have another one of those espresso mugs in teal or turquoise, and I just love all of these colors mixed. Next I have a fabric gingham pumpkin, and all the way at the very back I have a pumpkin candle, and I also have some wooden beads just cascading down, and I have a farm fresh pumpkin sign, a little sugar canister, and a cupcake stand that's turquoise, and on top a little pumpkin with that like burnt orange color. Next, I have my coffee station, and it's one of my favorite places in the morning, especially when I come down after I wake up and I prepare myself a cup of coffee. I don't know where I will be putting this one over here, because I just want it to be like these three things. But currently I have some pumpkin coffee, and it's just so practical to keep it over here, even though it doesn't fit like here or in the crevices. I thought about putting the coffee station actually over here. I think that's what I might do. I think that's what I might do for Halloween. Just put my coffee station here. Next to my coffee maker, I have this mug tree, and I am displaying my favorite fall mugs. I decided to stay with this mug, you guys, just because I love all of the details, and I love that it also has black. And I have this mug that looks more artisanal, and I am lucky that I found these cups or mugs, pumpkin love, and all the way at the very back, pumpkin spice with the orange inside, and I love that it has a little heart also. Back here I have pumpkin spice latte wooden art, and I've had it for so many years now. And next to the coffee station is my stove, and I found some really cute kitchen towels, you guys, especially this one. It has like an overlay of the truck, and it says harvest blessings and this pumpkin one. I have a little pumpkin over here with gold on top, just as a decoration for the stove. And I have some cutting boards. Both of these were from last year, and this one I've had for a long time now. Next, I have a trio of different things on top of this wood slab. I have this pumpkin everything planter, and I just added this cute plant inside. And I also have my doTERRA diffuser, and I am diffusing the harvest spice blend. It really fills up the whole room, you guys. It's kind of potent, so I just put a few drops in here, but it smells so lovely. And then I also have like this ceramic pumpkin, and I love that it has a recipe for pumpkin pie. And I will try it. I'll see if it's like a good recipe. So far I have 1 and 2 recipes. I'll have to check and see if they are kind of similar. And then over here in the back, I just have my fruit bowl or fruit stand, tier stand. I cannot think of the name right now, but I bought some gala apples, and I think it just looks good. We love those apples. They're so juicy, and we will be going soon and picking our own apples, but for now we have these ones over here. Next to the apples, we have this canister with a variety of Oreos. Every year me and my girls like to make these ones, and I have another little canister all the way up in my bathroom because I'm using it for bath bombs, but for now these cookies are enough. And we have the maple kind and the regular kind, and I just recently also got the spooky kind, or the ones that have like the orange inside. But we had already made this, so we will be displaying the other ones for Halloween. So one thing that I love about this kitchen also is this space. I always try to make it pretty and enjoyable, and it gets me more enthusiastic of actually washing dishes. But yet we have another pumpkin pie recipe over here in the form of a kitchen towel. But let me show you all the way up here. In my windowsill, I have some teal pumpkins in the very corners, and I just love the hanging succulents. And then I have also some candle holders with some faux candles, and I just turned them on. I love the signs that are over here: autumn leaves and pumpkin please, happy pumpkin spice season, and then the gingham over here just to incorporate everything and that it looks more coherent. And on this corner I grabbed a mum, and it's still blooming, but I think it looks really nice and cute. I have a turquoise cake stand and my favorite fall scented dish soap and dish hand soap. And I also have a tool that I use to wash the dishes, but this one is in the scent pumpkin scent and apple cider. And last but not least, I have this pumpkins locally grown sign and some hanging pumpkins. It's like a garland over here in my sliding doors. Alright you guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed, I really encourage you to subscribe to my channel and to like this video. It just really helps me out a lot. I hope that you really enjoyed it and that I gave you some inspiration and ideas on how to decorate your house for fall. Don't forget to check out my last fall videos that I uploaded recently, and I will see you on my next video. Maybe it will be an organizational video or something like this. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!